Ending patronage. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, end one's patronage. This phrase might sound a bit formal, but it's used more commonly than you might think. Stay with us as we break down its meaning, usage, and give you examples to help you understand how to use it in your daily conversations. End one's patronage refers to the act of stopping the support or business one has been giving to an establishment, service, or individual. Patronage here means being a customer or supporter of something or someone. So, when someone decides to end their patronage, they are essentially saying they will no longer be a customer or support that business or individual. There are several reasons why someone might end their patronage. It could be due to dissatisfaction with the service or product, a change in personal values or interests, financial reasons, or finding a better alternative elsewhere. This phrase is often used in a formal context, such as writing a letter to a company to inform them of your decision or in announcements. Let's look at a few examples to see how this phrase is used in sentences. After many years of loyalty, I have decided to end my patronage of your cafe due to the declining quality of food. The community has chosen to end its patronage to the shop after learning it does not practice ethical sourcing. Due to personal reasons, I must end my patronage and subscription to your magazine. Understanding the phrase, end one's patronage, allows you to express a specific type of decision in a formal and clear manner. Whether you're writing a letter, making a personal decision, or simply discussing business practices, knowing how to use this phrase can be very helpful. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Remember, language is a powerful tool. Keep learning and exploring.